You're probably wasting 3,000 pounds a year on groceries. And not because you're buying too much food, but because you're shopping exactly how the grocery industry wants you to. The average household spends over $500 monthly on food. But most of that money? It's disappearing into marketing traps, snack addictions, and shiny influencer habits we don't even realize we've copied. And here's the truth. You could cut your grocery bill in half without clipping a single coupon. Let's break down the 7 frugal grocery habits that can save you thousands. Without starving, compromising on taste, or turning into a minimalist monk. Stick around until the end, because once you see what Capri Suns are actually doing to your wallet, you'll never look at them the same again. 1. Don't cook like an influencer. Cook like a strategist. Instagram chefs have one goal: views. That's why every recipe is tailored to make one perfect, photogenic plate. But here's a smarter move. If you're already chopping vegetables and washing dishes, make 3 meals instead of 1. Batch cooking reduces energy use, saves time, and gives you automatic lunches and dinners for days. Think about it. Just by bringing lunch to work, you can save up to $300, $400 a month. That's over $4,000 a year from leftovers. So sure, cook like Gordon Ramsay if you want flavor. But when it comes to portion sizes, cook like Dave Ramsey. Big batches, big savings. 2. Speed shop. Like you're on a mission. Ever wonder why grocery stores pipe in calming music or place the milk at the very back? It's psychological warfare. The longer you linger, the more you spend. So here's your battle plan. Make a meal plan. Inventory your pantry. Create a laser-focused grocery list. Get in, get out. Treat it like a bank robbery. No detours, no browsing, no checking new arrivals. Because the moment you wing it, you're walking out with triple cheese pizza rolls, a tub of hummus you didn't need, and 5 different snacks for the kids. Want to win at grocery shopping? Treat it like a tactical mission, not a casual stroll. 3. Rethink the kids' snacks, and yours too. Capri Suns, Oreos, Little Debbie cakes, they might make your kids smile, but your wallet is crying. These snacks are expensive, empty calories. They don't fill anyone up, so your kids are hungry again in 30 minutes. Instead, invest in snacks that actually satisfy. Apples with peanut butter, string cheese, trail mix, hard-boiled eggs, beef jerky, yes, even the good kind. These may cost slightly more upfront, but they last longer and reduce repeat purchases. Plus, they don't train your kids to crave sugar bombs. That's a win for your health and your budget. 4. De-influence your fridge. You've seen those aesthetic fridge restock videos on TikTok, right? Where everything is color-coded, brand new, and individually packaged. They're satisfying and incredibly wasteful. Most of those creators have a content fridge that's just for show. It's not real life. It's sponsored consumption disguised as lifestyle. So here's your move. Audit your feed. Unfollow the influencers who make you feel like you need 12 brands of bottled water and 5 types of oat milk to feel organized. Real frugality starts with contentment and a fridge that actually gets used, not just filmed. 5. Stop paying for packaging. Juice boxes, bottled sports drinks, fancy waters. They're charging you for the container, not the contents. And if your house is drinking this stuff daily, you're losing money for convenience. The fix: buy in bulk, pour into reusable bottles. Or better yet, drink more water. Not the trendy kind with labels. Just plain tap or filtered water. And no shade to Simba, but if you're sipping apple juice from a lion's head every day, maybe it's time to simplify. 6. Understand. When organic actually matters. Organic doesn't always mean healthy. An organic Pop-Tart is still a Pop-Tart. You're just paying more for the same sugar hit. If you want to go organic, spend where it counts. Fresh produce. Fruits and vegetables with edible skin, meat and dairy if you consume them. Skip the organic gummy bears and breakfast cereals. The label is green, but the value is not. 7. Shop low, literally. Did you know big brands pay extra to place their products at eye level in stores? That shelf space is prime real estate, and that extra cost is baked into the price. So what can you do? Look down. The cheaper, off-brand versions are often on the lower shelves. Same ingredients, lower price. Get low, squat if you have to. Sometimes the budget goldmine is just one shelf away. Bonus. Habit: the pantry. Week challenge. Once a quarter, challenge yourself to not buy groceries for a week. Make meals using only what's already in your fridge, freezer, and pantry. It forces you to use up those forgotten cans, cook those frozen chicken breasts, finally, eat that bag of lentils. Stop wasting food and money. This habit alone could cut your food waste by 30% and help you appreciate what you already have. Final thoughts. The grocery industry is designed to make you spend, not just on food, but on snacks, packaging, time, and identity. But with just a few smart shifts, you can keep thousands in your pocket every year. Cook in bulk, shop fast. Rethink your snacks. Avoid influencer traps. Say no to fancy packaging. Be selective with organic. Dig for cheaper shelf options. And do a pantry cleanse every few months. You don't need to starve. You just need to outsmart the system. What next? If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more ways to save money without sacrificing your lifestyle.